Start by going to the Smartproxy dashboard. Then go to the SERP Scraping API's Authentication Method tab. In the Username Password section, press the little icon and create a password for your user. Then go ahead and click on the API Playground tab. In this section, you can test your requests real-time in an error-free environment. First, choose your target. After that, specify your query parameters. Note that how many parameters you'll be able to specify in this section depends on the target. With some targets, you'll even be able to define advanced parameters. Once you're all set, press Send Request. After a few moments, you'll see the returned response that you'll be able to copy or download in JSON. You can also copy the request code. To do that, press Copy and enter the username and password from the Authentication Methods section. And with that, you're all set. Now you can start using SERP Scraping API for your scraping projects. Let's see how you would use it in your code. So, let's scrape Google Search using our SERP Scraping API. For this example, we'll be using Python. If you don't have it yet, go to python.org and download the program. Open the document with a text editor of your choice. Import requests library and pprint. Then specify your target. The query parameter is the phrase you would type into the Google search bar. The parse bool can be either true or false. True will return parsed JSON results if the parameter is applicable to your target. However, if not specified, it will default to false. Time to send the request, which will contain the supplied parameters. Note that an open connection is required for you to receive the results. In this next line, we'll specify the API link we'll be sending our parameters to. Now specify your SERP Scraping API credentials. Finally, print the result. You'll find a link to the full code and more code examples in the video description.